Next category is e-women and empowerment. The last category is up ahead is e-women and empowerment. And to give away this award, let me invite who should we get? Let's get Chad from Manila to come up on stage. Since you come all the way across from the Philippines, our most far-traveled. No, I guess people from Canada have traveled a bit longer. Canada and the US. Anyway, a round of applause for Chad Manila from APC. A very appropriate person to give away this award on e-women and empowerment. And we have, let's see, we had 4 finalists announced earlier, 2 runners-up and 2 winners. Let's have the first runner-up come up on stage. SOS, stay safe. Please come up on stage. SOS, stay safe. Are you in the audience? Yes. And after that, let's have Mahila Shishu. Please come up on stage. Mahila Shishu, please come up on stage next. You are the second runner-up. After that, we'll watch the 2 winners' videos. SOS, stay safe. Very important application in this day and age, especially, unfortunately. Let's hear from our runners-up over here. First runner-up, SOS, stay safe. Round of applause, please, in the category of e-women and empowerment using digital tools. Second runner-up, Mahila Sishu. Please come up on stage. Runner-up number 2 in the category of e-women and empowerment using digital tools. And now let's watch the 2 videos, please, in this category, e-women and empowerment.
Launched in October 2013, the Kanya Shri MIS is an e-governance mechanism for Kanya Shri Prakalpa, the unique conditional cash transfer CCT scheme for improving the status and well-being of the girl child in West Bengal. So far, the project has enrolled over 1.8 million beneficiaries for annual scholarships and 118,654 beneficiaries for one-time grant. Founded in November 2012, Maya is the first and only website in Bangladesh dedicated to empowering women by offering high-quality contextualized content on all issues of health, well-being, gender justice and social stigmas. The website has notched up over 1 million page views and has more than 2,000 daily visits.
Two winners. Let's have the first one on stage. Kanya Shri Online 2.0. Kanya Shri Online, please come up on stage, followed by Maya.com from Bangladesh. Winner number 1. Kanya Shri Online 2.0. A round of applause, please, for our first winner in the category of women empowerment using digital tools. Congratulations. A lot of juggling here, you know. You wish you had 5 hands or something. Okay, one of you can also say something. Would you?
I can't say in one word. I can just say that this will go a long way in empowering the millions of adolescent girls of West Bengal. Thank you, Manthan.
Thank you so much. Very good project to empower adolescent young girls in West Bengal. And let's now hear from Maya.com. Anyone from Maya.com in Bangladesh here? If not, let's move on to the next category. Thank you so much. But let's also hear from Chad to say a few words of inspiration for this category.
I think this award is close to my heart because it's around women's empowerment and also gender equality. And I hope that in the coming years there'll be more in this category.
Thanks. We certainly hope we have many more winners, runners-up, special mentions. But we do have one final category before we wrap up for the day, which is the jurors' encouragement. And to give away these awards, let me invite Mr. Shivakumar to come up on stage, please. Mr. Shivakumar is the director of the International Center for Human Development at UNDP, very distinguished development activist and scholar. He's going to give away our jurors' encouragement awards to 2 categories. Do we have videos also here in this? If you have videos, can you play them now? E-culture and tourism.
The iHelmet comprises a smart device attached to a regular motorcyclist's helmet and an Android mobile app. The system is designed to provide ordinary motorcycle riders the convenience and safety experienced by high-end automobile drivers. The device uses an array of sensors and communicates with the user's smartphone to assist the motorcycle rider. Launched in May 2014, the Digital Monastery project trained some 40 participants, including monk and nun treasure caretakers, military personnel, and cultural workers, to use their mobile phones and tablets for digital documentation of treasures. The documentation is aimed at reducing theft and loss of such treasures.
So there you go, 2 awards, Jurors Encouragement, Chairman's Distinction. One goes to Treasure Caretaker Training, Digital Monastery Project. Will you please come up on stage? The Digital Monastery Project, they also took part in the E-Northeast Awards. I'm very pleased that they've come here and they've got the Chairman's Distinction Award. A round of applause, please. You must have gone to their booth also. They had a booth outside and they also spoke in one of the panel sessions. And after that, let me also invite iHelmet from Sri Lanka to get ready to come up on stage. iHelmet, are you here? Okay, excellent. Yes. But first, let's hear from our winners in this category, E-Culture and Tourism, the Jurors Encouragement Chairman's Distinction Award. Digital Monastery. Round of applause, please, for bridging the gap between tradition and modernity, between ancient culture and modern tools. Please come to the center. Yes. Hey, the guest of honor has to be also, yeah? In fact, he has to be in the center. And since you've come a long way, you can also say a word.
Devoted.
Devoted. Very good word, very spiritual inspiration as well. And let's hear from iHelmet. iHelmet from Sri Lanka. Will you please come up for bringing science fiction into reality, putting those sensors on helmets for motorcycle drivers. This young lad looks familiar. So now you don't have to talk about chemistry, you can talk about something else.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks. Very witty indeed. Bravo, you got one up on me. Please stay on stage. I also want you to give away awards to our 2 district collectors who have won award for outstanding e-government service. And let me invite, if you have in the audience, P. Balakiran in the audience. Do we have Mr. P. Balakiran? Please come up on stage. And also M. Nagarajan. M. Nagarajan, are you in the audience? District Collector Award. 2 district collectors get outstanding awards for doing exemplary work in their districts. Mr. P. Balakiran first. A round of applause please for Mr. Balakiran. One word.
Feeling blessed from God's own country.
Feeling blessed. Very good. Mr. Nagaraj. 2nd District Collector, outstanding example of government doing ICT enabled work. And what would you say?
Miles to go.
Many miles to go before we sleep. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. We can never be overconfident of the work that we do. And would you like to say a few words of inspiration for people in this category?
Thank you very much. Congratulations to the 2 district collectors. It's always remarkable to see public officials doing so much good for the well-being of our country. They're actually the custodians of the poor and really, really do an excellent job. And this kind of recognition is a great source of inspiration. So congratulations, keep it up, and hope to see you again.
Thanks. Thanks so much, Mr. Roy Sharma. With that, we come to the end of the award ceremony, and let me give the mic back to Osama to say to give the final vote of thanks. I know after this we have a photograph, a group photograph of all the winners, and also a photograph of all the staff of the Digital Empowerment Foundation, the managers, the entire team of DF putting together this fantastic stage. Osama, over to a big round of applause, please, for Osama Manzar and the Digital Empowerment Foundation.
I think that was not an invitation, that was basically a confirmation that there will be food after this. So yes, there is food after this, and there is no thanks. I think the thanks should be given to everybody who got interested in this award, who applied for it, 400 plus people who applied for it, who enabled us to create a platform for year after year after year after year, and trust us that what we are created a platform is going to serve the nation, the region, the Asia. So that's about it. And this is perhaps the first time in the awards ceremony I have seen that all the seats are almost full even till the last moment. So either we serve the food good, or the award has become much more meticulous. So thank you very much for staying back to see through all the innovators. That's about it. Let's have a group photo of the guests of honor. Can you please come on the stage to give your last clip to the Twitterati and the social media people, and all the award winners with your frame to come on the stage. And yeah, that's about it. After that, I would request all the VF team to come here. Of course, without them, you have not been able to roam around very freely since the morning and the evening. You must have been meeting them all the time. Thank you very much, all of you.
So enjoy the dinner, and I wish you all a happy new year in advance.